Hey, it's Brad from Brad Cox Real Estate and Remax Unique Inc. Brokerage, and welcome to 657 Crinklewood Drive, Suite 519, a two-bedroom townhome located just north of Lakeshore Road East, just off of Cawthra Road. .657 Crinklewood Suite 519 is now being offered for lease for $31.50 per month. It's an almost 1,500 square foot, 2-bedroom, 3-level townhome boasting 3 washrooms, whirlpool appliances throughout, a full-size washer-dryer, and an on-demand Nevian tankless water heater, plus a huge rooftop patio. This complex, built by multi-award-winning Queenscorp Group, is just being completed now. Suite 519 includes an exclusive parking spot and a locker. With a walk score of 67 out of 100, 657 Crinklewood Drive is conveniently located near historic Port Credit, where you'll find an abundance of shopping, restaurants, cafes, and the beautiful Port Credit Harbor. It is also just steps away from Lake Ontario, Cawthra Park, Lakefront Promenade Park, and beautiful Lakeview Golf Course, and also Toronto Golf Club. Easy access to public transportation along Cawthra Road, Lakeshore Road East, and close by to the GO station. Plus, less than a 10-minute drive to Sherway Gardens. You won't find this property on MLS, but if you're interested or know anyone who is, then reach out via my website or have your agent give me a ring to arrange a private viewing. Talk soon. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe.